So what I'm going to do is I am going to walk you through 7 coaching questions to get you from where you are right now to where you want to go. Question number 1 is called the clarity question. So fill that in. The clarity question. Scale, sell. What if you want to just get your business turnkey so you can do ministry work? You don't want to fool around with, start another business or another location or whatever. That's fine. Scale, sale, or serve. You get to do whatever you want to do. That's the beauty of this. When your business is turnkey, you get to do whatever you want to do, when you want to do it, where you want to do it. Number 2 is the cause question. As you look at your goals, where you want your business to be, why are you doing it? As Mr. Ziegler said, they're a wandering generality. They don't know what they want. They're just existing. Most people are just wandering around following the masses. Whatever's on TV. They're adopting this mindset, and they're just pure lies. Oh, you can't do that. Who do you think you are? Money doesn't grow on trees. This is a money tree. Your business is a money tree. Just look at it that way. The conflict question. What is your biggest challenge? It's great to know where you're going. It's great to know, why you're going there. But you got to get the obstacles out of the way. Number 4, the curriculum question. So you're going to look at these assessments, and you're going to determine, what do you need to be trained on? What do your people need to be trained on? What do you need to learn? Because more than anything else, right here, we are a learning organization, we're a coaching organization, because here's what we know. We all got work to do. You're never done. You're never done working on your life. You're never done working on your business. Okay? All right, number 5, the coaching question. As I have worked through these stages myself, at each level, you want to know what was attached to the breakthrough? A coach. When I was in survival mode, I had 7 employees, but everything revolved around me. Nothing moved without me touching it. Like, guys in the back of the shop, it's August, he's sweating, and I'm out there with him sweating. I'm like, okay, turn that right there. I'll be back in a minute. I go in, and there's a stack of phone call messages because the people I had in the office didn't have the script or the system. They didn't know how to answer the question. So I'm sweating all over those messages like, okay, like, yeah, we'll be out there. And my mentor came by, Bill Beckham. Some of you guys met him about 2 or 3 months ago. And he's looking around. He's like, he's seeing the chaos. He's like, Howard, you need the E-Myth. And I'm like, what's an E-Myth? It's a book that's written by Michael E. Gerber. Read the E-Myth, started building systems, and I had my vision was be turnkey. Why? So I can be on the beach. Then, once I got my business, the systems working out, I began to realize that I was a very good leader, and then I got somebody by the name of Mr. Rick Jones, who started teaching me leadership. Number 6, the compass question. What's your plan? If you're going to get somewhere where you've never been, you need a roadmap. You not only need a guide, but you also need a map. Because the guide's not going to be there to drive for you. Yes or yes? Okay, number 7, when do you want to arrive? When do you want to be turnkey? You can get turnkey in 3, turnkey in 3 years, but you got to stay focused. You got to be diligent. You got to show up. You got to do the work. And there's many of you in here that are doing the work, and it's paying off. The results are there.